Hi. Hello? Oh, okay. Burpee. Burpee, burpee. How are you? Hmm? How are you? Can you speak? Can you speak? Speak. 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 Wow, really? All right. Can you speak? Can you speak? Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to my channel. I don't usually post so often as I'm doing. Oh, hello. Okay. Sorry about that. I guess someone's trying to feel a little playful right now and want to play with me. Okay. Sorry about that. What was I going to do now? I can't remember. Okay. Today I will be featuring my leathers again, but okay. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Okay, can you please go over there? Sorry about that, you guys. What was I doing? My dog loves to play fetch, and apparently she thinks right now is a good time. Huh? You think it's a good time to play fetch right now, don't you? Okay. Oh my. Drop it. Good girl. Okay. Okay, I will try to do this. Oh man, why does this have to happen to me all the time? Okay, stop. Drop it. Go. What was I saying? I don't remember. Okay. Oh, that's right. So, okay, I got an idea from Amy Elizabeth, who I love to watch her videos on YouTube, and just realized these are two colored pinks. Anyways, we were talking about leathers in the comments, and she was wondering, she kind of wanted to buy some leathers, and I kind of told her that I obviously love my leather bracelets, but that once upon a time, a couple years back, actually lots of years back, I used to wear, because my first leather bracelets were the black ones, these, okay, and Pandora's recommendation was to wear, I think it was 5 to 7 or 7 to 9 charms on the leather, and that's it, because if you don't, they'll stretch. Well, I did that. I only wore, you know, the limited amount. I think it was 5 to 7 or 7 to 9. I don't think I wore 9. I think I wore 7 was the most I wore. And these still stretched. Not by a lot, but enough where they're really loose on me now. And I shall try to demonstrate that. I don't think I can zoom out more though. No, that's it. Okay, so let's just try this one so we can see color comparison. So these are both D2s. Okay. And actually, I'm going to zoom in a little more here so you can see. So see, they're kind of lined up, perfectly lined up, right? Right there. Okay, and if you see me follow the line here of the leather, there we go. You'll see how much that's stretched. Now, that's not a whole lot. Okay, we're talking about maybe, what is that, maybe an inch? Yeah, maybe about an inch. Sorry, this is kind of how I gauge it. Yeah, about an inch, which again, you're thinking that's not a lot, but in terms of the, you know, wrist measurement world, it is kind of a lot. We're talking about a difference between like 7.1, oh gosh, the measurements. Well, I can't really think of the measurement. No, yeah, between 7.5 and approximately 7.9. And I actually wear both of those sizes, so I know that there's a huge difference. So that being said, I kind of stopped wearing my leathers after that, at least with charms. And now I am very paranoid of that happening to my leathers, because these are all pretty much new. Like, I haven't really worn, well, these are, actually, I've worn these a couple times. But yeah, so in this video, what I want to kind of demonstrate or showcase is how I wear my leathers now, which is not, it's not very complicated. Honestly, it's very basic and simple how I wear them. I love to layer them with my bangles. For the most part, that's how I usually wear them, with bangles and this, and that's it. Sometimes I'll wear a regular charm bracelet. But either, so the point is, I will pretty much just wear them simple. You see what I'm saying? I'll get 2 leathers, because I like to wear them 2 at once. And I'll just layer them. Okay? Now, if I do choose to maybe wear charms on them, it's not really charms. It's more of clips. And I thought I did a better job getting more clips. I guess I did not. So, if you're not aware of these, which you should be if you follow Pandora, these are the silicone liners that you can get at any Pandora store. You could wear these on bangles. Seriously? Come on, go away. Excuse me. You can wear them on the leathers. And the way they work, again, if you're not familiar, get probably the one clip I did get. I was not prepared. I thought I prepared myself properly and I did not. Actually, let's backtrack before I demonstrate how I wear my leathers. So, I am just going to go ahead and put some random charms on my leathers. Some of them are dirty, like this one. But again, this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, and I'm probably not going to be able to shoot exactly what I'm trying to portray here, but I'm just going to do this and then edit outside, shoot some footage outside so you can see what I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do more. 4, 5, 6. Okay, and these are my random orphan beads, which I don't know where to put yet because I haven't really had time to do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 7. Because I think 7 could have been the max. Okay, so this is not going to be a good, yeah, I'm going to try my best, but I don't think it's going to be very well demonstrated, so I will, again, probably go in my backyard and shoot this properly. So I am going to go ahead and put this on my wrist right now to illustrate why I don't wear my charms on my leathers anymore. There we go. Okay. So again, I will demonstrate this better clearly at a later time. See that right here? So you got your leather, right? And you're like, oh, that looks nice, right? But then you see your leathers are way all at the bottom. See? And do you see how they pull? They bring down this. Well, eventually that weight accumulates and it starts to pull the leather. Okay, even if you were to do like half and half. Okay, so even if you try to wear both, like, you know, put some leather charms on this part of the leather and some charms on this leather, they're still gonna pull. Okay, I know it doesn't look like that right now, but trust me, it does. The more you do it, the more you wear it, the more it starts to pull. So I'm not saying you can't wear it like this. I mean, if you want to, you can. You know, that's your choice, your decision. You know, it always bothered me that they were always at the bottom of the wrist. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing up here. So this is how I used to wear my charms on my leathers, and I just, again, I don't do that anymore because, one, I feel like I can't really enjoy it. 2, it will eventually stretch the leathers. Okay. So, I mean, if you want to do 1 or 2, that's probably fine. But again, what bothers me is that they are all at the bottom. At least with the silver bracelets, eventually once you fill them up, they kind of go all the way around the wrist. You know what I mean? But when it comes to you know, leathers, you can't really fill it up, again, because it'll stretch. Okay, so let's go back to what I was trying to illustrate at the beginning of this video. Get really close up here. Dog hair everywhere, it's great. So what I was saying is, you get one of these little silicone cores, or liners, I'm sorry, not really cores. Get one of those little silicone liners. Okay, and then what you do, sorry guys, is you kind of pop that on. See that? So it stays like that. And then you get your clips. I'm going to use these as a demonstration because, again, these are homeless. And my nails are probably going to break. Oh, man. I keep having to trim them and cut them because they keep chipping. Okay, so what you do now is you line it up like this. Okay, open clip, line that up. And then you close it and lock it in place. Okay, so now, magic. Let's do that again with the other one. Okay, in place. Alright, and now we got two clips that are movable, kind of like the Essence, but they're not budging. Alright? So now let me put this on real quick and demonstrate. Okay. So I'm going to zoom out now. So see? Now I have my two clips up here. They're being showcased how I want them. They're not at the bottom of my wrist. They're on top. Okay. Well, they do say that camera adds 10 pounds. My goodness. I feel like my hand looks really fat. Anyways. So, we have these on top now. Because they're not pulling, gravity isn't pulling on them back here. I feel like they're more secure. Like my leather is not going to get stretched now. You could probably do a couple more, dot the whole bracelet with more clips. Okay. Or just keep it that way, however you want. So this is how I usually wear my leathers. I will usually, I rather get clips and just kind of, you know, put them here and there. All around the entire bracelet. Although I'm so hypersensitive that I even feel that that itself will make it stretch as well. I haven't really tried it. Because like I said, I kind of just wear them plain now. But I feel like this way of wearing clips or charms on the bracelet is better than just a whole bunch of charms weighing down the leather. Do you know what I mean? You probably could put one here in the middle and it'd be okay. And I'm guessing maybe eventually gravity will do its job and then eventually the whole thing will slide underneath. But again, I just feel like it's not going to pull as much because you have these two. But again, I'm not sure exactly. I can't say 100% sure that even this technique will not stretch leathers out. I don't think they will. But again, like I said, even I don't do it too often either. But when I do, this is how I wear them. So up next, I'm going to show some footage of me wearing both types of, just like I had it here, with just charms and then just with clips. So you can better showcase how I wear my leathers. And I hope you really like this video. It gets a little, I should call it more of a tutorial, huh? Well, not really. It's not a tutorial. It's just how I wear my leather bracelets. So take it or leave it, right? But yeah, so I'm still hoping you guys will subscribe to my channel. A couple more days to go. If I hit 1,000 subscribers in the next couple days, I will make an appearance on camera. And yeah, I feel like my content, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more of my doggy, go ahead and subscribe. No, no, just kidding. But until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. You like that tug of war, huh? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Drop it. Oh, he's a good girl. Oh, you okay?